I'm a broke coach and it's 2023. What is it that I do? I've operated a business from many different mindsets, and a scarcity mindset is by far the hardest mindset to operate a business from. And if that's you right now and you're worried about your bills, you're worried about how to pay something in particular, you're worried about just other things, then that is really going to get in the way of your business success. Stress is really, really hard to manage, and there comes to a point where you are stressed all the time, you can end up being addicted to the stress of your life, because there are chemicals that get released when you are stressed, and that's what you get addicted to. Trust me, I've been there before. I was burnt out about 6-7 years ago now, which led to my stress, depression and anxiety, and it took me a fair few years to recover from natural resources. So if that's you right now, I've got your back, and here's more in this video. Hi, my name is Lillian, and I'm here helping online spiritual coaches, healers, therapists and practitioners supercharge their online coaching business to success. And I also have the Soul Central directory. It goes out every single month to over 10,000 plus soul searchers, intuitives and also manifestors. And if you feel that is the right audience for you and you would like a free listing to promote your business, then feel free to like this video, subscribe and comment below Soul Central directory, and I'll send you over the right information. Okay, so my first point around this is, if you are an online coach and you've already gone through the process of building a funnel, building a messenger bot, building up a Facebook group, carrying on those conversations in your messenger inbox, whatever strategy you're using right now, whether it's a paid strategy or an organic strategy or a combination of both, which is what I usually promote onwards to my clients, then my advice to you is to keep on going. It is a game, okay? When you realize that an online coaching business is a mindset game, it's a mental challenge, and really what you're doing in business is challenging yourself every single day. You're challenging your thoughts in your head you have towards your business every single day, and it will definitely get you if you allow your thoughts to win. So for example, for every campaign you put out that doesn't work, for every client that says no to you, please don't be disheartened when you keep hearing no, because every no is a closer step to a yes. You cannot fail in business if you continue forward. The only way you can fail in your business is if you are to take a step back and quit. And if you are broke, it's just because you haven't maybe got the right mindset around your business correct yet. Because you can invest into all the strategies there are out there. And I've done that before in the many years in business. I've invested thousands along the way. And sometimes I've hit ceilings where, why is it that I've just spent or invested so much money into X, Y, and Z and it's still not working? And you come to your own realization along your own coaching business journey that really you're battling with the head, the thoughts that you have in your head. And for every time you have a negative spiral happen with your business, that's where you need to come in, be mindful, stop the pattern and change the story that you have towards your business. So for every no that you have, don't be deflated. You need to realize that you are one step closer to a yes. And obviously that will then bring in the money eventually. So if you are broke, it's not because you are not worthy of that success. It's just because you are wanting to, or you are needed, to really check in with your thoughts, and so you can stop those negative thought patterns in the tracks and replace it with something positive, and then you'll start to see movement in your business again, which will obviously relate to income and clients coming into your business. Okay, and the second point I would like to make is really look onto the skill set that you currently have. Maybe there could be an area that you can either enhance, or maybe there could be something else new that you could possibly get knowledgeable in and experience in order for you to add into your online coaching business and also into your service that you're offering out there to market. If you are only skilled in a handful of things, or they're not too much widely in demand, then just really think about what else can you upskill in or enhance more in. And if you can maybe advance in a skill that's evergreen, so for example, if you were to maybe really understand the power of Facebook ads, will that warrants your time now for the future as well, i.e. will you be using Facebook ads in the future, and that is definitely a skill to master in the present moment for you. There could be other areas in your online coaching business that you could level up and upskill in, and again, I like to think that you're not really wasting your time if you are upskilling in an area that could better not only improve your business now for more money to come in and for more clients to be attracted to you, but also if you feel you can use that particular skill in the future, and it's a win-win situation for you. You're definitely not wasting your time into the investment into understanding or maybe upskilling in a particular area of expertise. And the third point I would like to make is really ask yourself, are you heavily distracted in your working lifestyle? Do you have a situation right now that you are really being bogged down by? Are you being really religious with your working life? I mean, distractions can be nice distractions. It could be a relationship that you could end up sort of describing as a distraction, but are you being really serious with your business? Are you prioritizing your business first? If you are really seeing this as a hobby or as a sideline, you're going to end up getting an income that reflects a hobby or a sideline. Don't get me wrong, you can make loads of money if it ends up being a sideline, but at the beginning stages of an online coaching business, there's always work to be done. So are you really pushing your business forward? Are you really making it a priority? Are you really making sure that you're not having other things come into your working lifestyle and interfere with that momentum, which is really needed at the early stages of business in order to get those results in? If you're broke, it's probably because you are managing a hectic lifestyle. I mean, I'm a mum, things do get busy, especially when there's a stop-start pattern in my working lifestyle with the half terms and holidays and that sort of thing. But if you can really just try and be very committed to your work, then that's going to work for you so well, because then you can start seeing the results come through. If you're very laser focused in what you do with your business and try and eliminate all the distractions that you feel you might have around in your life. So just to recap, number one is just to keep going. You can only fail in this game of online coaching business if you were to leave the game that you're playing. Number two, really build on what you know, either up level in a skill that you already have or learn a new skill. And if you feel you can use this skill as an evergreen skill throughout your whole online coaching business journey, then that is definitely a skill worth investing your time, energy into. And thirdly, what distractions do you feel you might have in your life right now that is possibly getting in the way of your online coaching business success? If you don't prioritize your business in the early stages, then unfortunately you're not going to end up receiving the results in your business that you're trying to achieve. You need to be as laser focused as possible in order to get the results through. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Feel free to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment Soul Central directory below if you want me to position your online coaching business in front of an audience of over 10,000 plus soul searchers, intuitives and high achievers. Then feel free, I'm happy to put that in for you in the next edition. Have a lovely rest of your day and I will see you in the next video.